Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from PropertyCozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it. Today we have for you a 2-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse located on Taylor Road, Ironshore, Montego Bay, in a gated community known as Serenity. This is a standalone dual floor type of townhouse which we don't see much often, and it comes with all modern living convenience. The community amenities includes a swimming pool, remote control gate, and designated parking lots. This townhouse radius includes other gated communities, a shopping village with a supermarket, pharmacy, restaurants, clothing stores, and much more. Other features of this home includes water heater, grilled, being sold unfurnished, paved area, ceramic tiling, family oriented, and golf course nearby. This townhouse is currently priced at US 240,000 or Jamaican $37.6 million. Now, let's take a look at this home and please leave a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Also, for more details on this property, please visit the description area below. I am Tavia and I was your property guide for today. Until next time, put God first and keep safe.